11273 on the Carnival Vista, 4 doors down from the pool area in the middle of the ship. When you come in, it does have a car slot for the light. I think that'll turn off on a delay. Universal one that the steward brings is there. So you have a light switch here. You'll see later on you have a light switch for those same lights over by the bed. Real quick on the back, you've got your muster station for this room is at B4, which is going to be the casino on deck 4. The room is metal, it's just faux wood.
The room doesn't come with a Brandy.
I'm going to show you outside first and work our way back in because no one wants to wait for the balcony. Now, one thing you might notice about this is these are full bulkheads on either side. A lot of times the rooms will kind of stop right here and you'll have a little bit more noise that can come across. For some reason this one's got 2 bulkheads on either side. I don't know why. We didn't know that when we booked it. You have a light with a switch inside. 2 twins put together for a mini king. Light stands on each side. The cubbies. However, there's no USB. Mention the light switch here, controlling the lights above. Flat screen TV. It does take a little while to turn on. It turns on to the prior station that you were watching when you turn the TV off. But then after about 25 seconds, it reverts back to the home page. From there, you have the ability to do a lot more than some of the older class ships. You can check your folio, you can check your photos, you can check the what's happening. A lot of features inside the TV app. So if you're just lounging around in your bed and want to check on what's happening and maybe your phone's charging over here, you have the ability to check some of those things on the TV. Now this does come with a sofa. We've got a third guest, little Charlie. So she has a bed made up for it. Coffee table. Swimming towels. Your vanity area here. You do have a cooler. Not afraid, just a cooler, but it worked really well this trip, even with the cabinet door closed. So open shelves here. You just have one drawer with a really crappy blow dryer. You've got your vanity light. So you have 2 standard plugs and you have 2 USBs over here. So that's pretty good. We didn't have to get any type of extension because of the USBs and having 2 plugs there. A little bit of a bummer that there's no plugs over here, but it is what it is. Last, you've got your closets. This one you do have your safe and 3 drawers. And this one opens the opposite way, which isn't very convenient. You have the ability to hang full garments if need be. And the last one's a full hang, no shelf options whatsoever. Bathroom light works here. Shower, it's nice and hot. Comes with shower gel and shampoo, and that's it. Smattering of towels. A little messy in here. It is demarcation day. We waited till today because for the most of the rest of the trip our room was really dirty and we didn't want to show that off. So don't mind the mess. And the last thing, which everyone always wants to know, is how is the temperature in the room? And that is not a problem here. If you want it cold, you can make it cold. How cold was it in here, Charlie?
So cold, we had to get an extra blanket.
And this is June 4th, full amount of heat outside, and we're on deck 11, so right above us is the water slides. Now we didn't hear them at all, so that's not a problem. Entrance to the lido area on deck 11 is just 4 doors down. When that door opens, automatically as people walk and approach it, if there is loud music playing during a deck party or during the day, you can hear that through the door, through the hallway. It closes immediately and then it's really silent, it's muffled. It never stopped us from sleeping, but know that you will hear that a little bit. If you're on your balcony, you can hear it a little bit too. It's no different than being a balcony anywhere around the Lido area.
Charlie, did you show him your fancy light?
Oh, one last light
This is Charlie's lamp.
for her bed.
Show him
If
your-
I
She needed a
am
light.
scared in the dark, I have this lamp right here.
And this light does not control that.
Nope.
So the last thing I like to always hopefully get when I'm looking at room tours for places I'm potentially staying is how close are you to stairs, elevators, and other entry and exit points. I'm gonna go show you that real quick in both directions. Right by you here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. You got the stairs and the elevator bank. All right, that's the end of the room tour for 11273 on the Carnival Vista. What do y'all think?
It was a good room. I liked it.
Would you book this room again?
If I had Charlie with me,
She's contradicting
yes.
herself.
No, if I had Charlie with me, yes, it was very convenient with Camp Ocean in the pool.
Camp Ocean is just behind the pool on
If it-
this deck.
I don't think I wanted to come back here because I really wanted a bunk bed,
Oh.
not a couch bed.
She wants a bunk bed. We upgraded from a room that had a bunk to this one that doesn't, and she was sad. So let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this room location, or the Carnival Vista in general. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Come take a trip with us.
Bye!